Palantir Technologies is being tapped to create a database for all Americans under the Trump administration. So who the hell are these people that run Palantir Technologies? Well, Palantir Technologies was actually founded in 2003 by the likes of Peter Thiel, Alex Karp, Joe Lonsdale, Stephen Cohen, and Nathan Giddings. The company specializes in big data analytics and developing software platforms to integrate, analyze, and visualize those complex data sets. They already have government contracts as well with the likes of the CIA, the FBI, the Department of Defense, as well as many other government contracts. Outside of those government contracts, they also already work with companies like Morgan Stanley and Airbus, as well as many other healthcare, finance, and automotive industry companies. And what they do for those private companies is they optimize their operations through data-driven insights. Now, Palantir is already pretty controversial, however, because they do help with surveillance, predictive policing, as well as ICE deportations and many other things, I'm sure, when it comes to the government. So there's a lot of privacy and ethical concerns when it comes to them making a master list of all Americans for the Trump administration. And this all loops back around to why are they actually making a master list of all Americans? And the simple answer is they want all federal agencies to have a central database where they all share the data of users with each other without having to, pick and choose what data, what info you get, without having to have, the FBI go request data from one agency, or the, immigration services having to request data from another agency in order to do what they are legally supposed to do. So if you can centralize all of this data into one big database, then it is easier for these government agencies to actually do their job. And some of that is not things that people support. There's a lot of Democrats, especially, that don't want ICE to have access to all of this data to more easily deport people. And there's also a lot of worry on what the Trump administration will use this data for, meaning that there is a lot of pushback to it currently. But nothing's been really publicly stated about this list yet. The executive order to get this rolling has already been signed and put into effect, so only time will tell on what this is actually used for. And I have to warn the Republicans of misusing and abusing this sort of system, because when the Democrats become in power the next time around, they'll just do the same damn thing.